It's cowboy action time.
Hey YouTube, Nick here. I got here the Pietta 1858 New Army cat and ball revolver. This one in particular is the Confederate model because of the brass frame, which to many people, and even myself, is less desirable than the steel frame, just because it's weaker. You can't put as much grains of powder in the cylinder, otherwise it could cause damage to the gun. And this one here, man, I've fired it quite a few times and I've really enjoyed it. Haven't had any problems with it so far. And you know the reason why I got it, this is my first black powder gun, but the reason why I got it, I just kept going to Cabela's, and every time I'd pass by the gun counter, it'd be sitting in their case, and just all the way they had the lighting is made all nice and shiny and just really cool looking. And every time I went to Cabela's, man, I just wanted it. So I finally got it. It's really inexpensive, and I think that's one of the you know, the things that draws people to it. It's just it's relatively cheap. I think I got this one $170 I had it on sale for, and I haven't regretted it. It's been a blast to shoot, and you'll see in the range videos that it's actually pretty accurate. Yeah, I had it out to 20 yards, and I was hitting 8-inch steel plate no problem. So anyways, I'll be done talking now, and I'll get to the range. Alright guys, if you're curious, I'm at 20 yards right now, and I'm going to do the best I can to hit that plate. Yeah, sometimes these percussion caps, they don't come out all the way, so it's nice to have a little pocket to get them out like that. Alright.